In a bid to revert back in a phased manner to the pre-COVID levels of service, the Ministry of Railways on Sunday said that its passenger reservation system will be shut down for 6 hours during the lean business hours of the night for the next 7 days. The 6-hour duration will be used to upgrade the system data with new train numbers and other relevant items. Start from intervening night of November 14 to 15 and continue till November 20 to 21. PRS shutdown will start at 2330 hours and end at 0530 hours on November 14 to 15. This would continue every night during the same hours until November 21st to 22. Reservation, current booking and cancellation services to be effective. Inquiry services including 139 services will continue uninterrupted. PRS will remain shut to enable upgradation of system data, updating of new train numbers and other relevant details. This comes after Railways has decided to discontinue special trains and revert to the pre-COVID regular services. Earlier, the Indian Railways had on Friday issued an order to discontinue the special tag for mail and express trains and revert to pre-pandemic ticket prices with immediate effect. The officials, however, said the curbs introduced in view of the pandemic, such as temporary restrictions on concessions, bedrolls, and meal services, would continue to be in effect.